Strike by junior doctors in Uttar Pradesh has now entered its third day, and they've been demanding the suspension of Kanpur's SSP Yashasvi Yadav following an attack on junior doctors on last Friday. They also want action to be taken against the local Samajwadi Party MLA Irfan Solanki, who had allegedly led the attack on the doctors. Now, this strike has completely paralyzed health and medical services in the state.
अस्पताल में ले गए तुरंत आनन फानन, वहाँ पर जो है इनकी पट्टी बांध करके और तुरंत यहाँ रिफर कर दिया गया। तब से कोई यहाँ पर नहीं वो हो रहा है इलाज। हाँ सर, क्या करें? यहाँ डॉक्टर हैं सर, कहते हैं वहाँ वो रिपोर्ट लाए हैं, तो हमने पर्चा दिखाया जो डॉक्टर साहब ने दिया। यहाँ कहते हैं हड़ताल है।
हम लोग जगह जगह घूम रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई भर्ती नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि हर जगह हड़ताल है, कोई भर्ती करने को तैयार नहीं है।
कितने दिन हो गए हड़ताल को?
3 दिन हो चुके हैं और हम लोग परेशान हैं बहुत।
तो क्या बता रहे हैं, क्यों हड़ताल है?
ये डॉक्टर कह रहे हैं कि प्रशासनिक सेवाओं वो प्रशासन ने कि तंग करने की वजह से हड़ताल लगा रखी है।
Well, you were hearing from those affected by this strike by junior doctors across Uttar Pradesh, the strike which has now entered its third day, and the doctors themselves have been demanding the suspension of the Kanpur SSP Yashasvi Yadav following an attack on junior doctors last Friday. They also want action to be taken against local Samajwadi Party MLA Irfan Solanki. Pranchu joining us with the latest situation out there. Pranchu, we know it was bad already yesterday, and the protesting doctors had given the state government a deadline until 5 p.m. with no action really forthcoming. What is the situation today?
Well, see, the situation has really got more critical because the junior doctors have now also boycotted the emergency services. So that literally means that the trauma services across these medical colleges, that has been brought to a standstill. We did have a word here at the Lucknow's King George Medical University, where the senior doctors say that alternate arrangements are in place, but the fact remains that if these are the striking medicos, the young junior doctors going on strike, then clearly the medical services would be affected. This is the front gate of the King George Medical College, where the doctors, the students and the junior doctors are on the strike. Now yesterday there was this attempt on the part of the government to withdraw those cases, but then the doctors said that they are not ready to come out on the bail, and they wanted the cases should be withdrawn. We are joined by a few of the representatives of the striking doctors. Let's have a word with them to know what their future course of strategy is. What is the future course of strategy? You are on strike. Emergency services has also been brought to a standstill. What's the future course of strategy?
Emergency, as far as emergency is concerned, the life-saving procedures are going on. We are not letting any patient to die without any doctor's advice or doctor's help. And now, for our future strategies, we are trying to involve whole UP is in united till now, and we are trying to involve the whole country for our cause.
Okay, just tell me one thing. Yesterday, the government said, okay, we are releasing those 25 doctors on the bail. Now, what we got to know was that the doctors are not ready for this offer. They wanted the cases should be withdrawn. Is it true?
बिल्कुल क्रिमिनल नहीं है, आप उनको बेल पे छोड़ रहे हैं। वो क्रिमिनल किस लिए छोड़ रहे हैं? आपको धाराएं लगा रहे हैं। वो क्रिमिनल नहीं है, वो बच्चे हैं, डॉक्टरी पढ़ रहे हैं। तो हम बिल्कुल तैयार नहीं है इनको छोड़ दिया जाए बेल पे। हमारी एक ही डिमांड है, उनको छोड़ा जाए विदाउट एनी एलिगेशन, विदाउट एनी FIR। एंड जो भी इस लोग जिम्मेदार लोग हैं उनके खिलाफ कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है अभी तक। SSP के खिलाफ कुछ नहीं हुआ है, विधायक के खिलाफ कुछ नहीं हुआ है। तो हम तब तक कंटिन्यू करेंगे जब तक कि हमारी डिमांड जैसी की तैसी मान ली नहीं जाती है।
So there you see, these are the striking doctors and the representatives who say that unless an action is taken against the SSP of Kanpur and the SP MLA Irfan Solanki, their agitation is not going to come to an end. But they also assure that at least they are ensuring that life-saving mechanism that is in place, and so clearly they want to communicate this message that though they are on the strike, they don't want the common man to suffer. The critical patients who come, they claim that they are being attended to.
And more developments breaking regarding that story. Now, the state BJP President Vijay Bahadur Pathak has asked the Akhilesh government to take stock of the situation, saying mere lip service will not do.
अखिलेश सरकार क्यों छोटी छोटी घटनाओं को संजीदे ढंग से नहीं लेती? चाहे कवाल का बवाल हो या कानपुर की घटना, छोटी घटनाएं बड़ा रूप लेती हैं और उस बड़े रूप लेने के कारण लोग मरते हैं। जब ये घटना शुरू हुई तभी प्रशासनिक क्षमता का परिचय दिया गया होता तो इस विवाद को रोका जा सकता था। हमारी मांग है सरकार से, सरकार गंभीरतापूर्वक इस विषय को लेते हुए और वो तत्काल जो डॉक्टर हैं उनसे वार्ता करें, इसका निराकरण कराएं और उन्हें भरोसा दिलाएं। जिस भरोसे की बात मुख्यमंत्री बार बार करते हैं उस भरोसे का पालन करें।
This is